The Global Program of Action for the Protection of the Marine Environment from Land-Based Activities was created as a unique intergovernmental mechanism to counter the issue of land-based pollution. 2. The GPA was adopted by 108 governments and the European Commission at an intergovernmental conference convened in Washington, D.C. in 1995. 3. It is unique in that it is the only global initiative directly addressing the connectivity between terrestrial, freshwater, coastal and marine ecosystems. 4. The GPA Secretariat, based in The Hague, Netherlands, is administered by UNEP. 5. The GPA's work contributed to targets adopted in 2015 under the Sustainable Development Goals, especially Target 14.1 on oceans and Target 6.3 on wastewater. 6. 80% of marine pollution comes from land. 7. Pollution sources include untreated sewage, agricultural runoff, oils and heavy metals from industry, and sediment washed in from earthworks and logging. 8. The Global Program of Action identifies 9 source categories of marine and coastal pollution. I. Sewage. 2. Persistent organic pollutants, POPs. 3. Radioactive substances. 4. Heavy metals. V. Oils, hydrocarbons. Y. Nutrients. 7. Sediment mobilization. 8. Litter. 9. Physical alteration and destruction of habitat. 9. Over time, the GPA simplified its focus to 3 main areas: sewage, nutrient management, and marine litter. 10. The GPA is not a legally binding agreement,